Is your game lagging even though your phone should be fast? In this video, I'll show you how to boost your Android gaming performance using Android system WebView and Activity Launcher. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that most people don't even know about. We'll use Android system WebView and Activity Launcher to access hidden system settings that can help your phone run games more smoothly. No root, no complicated steps. First, every Android phone has a built-in system app called Android System WebView. You can find it by going to Settings, then Manage Apps, choose Show All Apps, and search for Android System WebView. It should look like this. Next, we need to install an extra app from the Play Store called Activity Launcher. So go ahead and install it first. Once it's installed, open the app. Then search for the WebView app we just found. Look for the one that says Android WebView under the name. Tap on it, then select Main Activity. After that, tap Launch Activity. Then choose the flag icon and tap OK. In this section, we're going to tweak some hidden Android settings that can help improve performance, especially for gaming. First, type GPU in the search bar. Find Ignore GPU Blacklist and set this option to Enabled. Only enable this one. Don't turn on the others because that can make your phone heat up faster and waste more GPU power. By enabling only this, your GPU performance becomes more stable when it needs to work hard, like when playing heavy games. Next, type Vulkan. Then find Use Hardware Buffer Usage Flags from Vulkan and enable it. But keep in mind, if later your game crashes or suddenly closes, that means your phone doesn't support this Vulkan feature. If that happens, just come back here and disable this option. Now type MSAA. Then enable Use DMSAA for tiles. This helps in making in-game animations, banners, and visual transitions smoother and less laggy. Next, search for FPS. On my phone, this feature isn't supported, so I don't see it. But if you see an FPS option on your phone, just enable it. Now let's move on to network settings. This helps stabilize your internet connection while gaming. Enable Navigation Network Response Queue. If you also see Optimize Network Buffers, enable that too. These options can really help stabilize online games and reduce sudden lag spikes. On my phone, the Optimize Network Buffers option isn't available, so I'll skip it. Once everything is set, you'll notice that the options you enabled have a blue icon. That means they're active. Even if you reboot your phone, these settings will stay enabled. Now you can try opening your favorite game and feel the difference. Let me know in the comments if you notice any improvements. This method is safe for your Android phone. And if you ever want to go back to the default settings, you can easily reset everything. Just open Android System WebView again, go to Launch Activity, enter the Flags menu, and tap Reset Flags.